welcome back to the vlog. And I know it's been a while since I last vlogged, but mostly because there's really not much happening right now in my life. The two big things that are happening are is that I started Swedish classes, and it's been an interesting experience from a foreign language. What I thought was a foreign language to me is now being decoded, and now I am understanding things. I can kind of speak it. Jag pratar med svenska ord nu. Yeah, so it's been a really cool experience. Hoping to maybe do like a 24-hour only Swedish vlog in the future when I know more vocab. The second thing is I am still job hunting, and it's a very tough job market, not just here but I know around the world. So that's my biggest struggle in life right now. I've decided that today I will be vlogging. The big special thing for today is that we are getting a new family member. By that I mean Arya's brother just got a cat, and we are hopefully picking him up today. I'm so excited. It's not my cat, it's his brother's, but this will be a nice training for when me and Arya get a cat in the future, because I really want a cat. I'm so excited to see him, so let's go shop. We're at the toy section. This bee's really cute. Not really here to buy the food that's there. That's their responsibility. So I'm just here to look at toys and puzzles. Look at the puzzles.
Oh, I'm
Which
so good at these.
Yeah, this one.
I did that.
That one's cute too.
Yeah.
Oh, I've seen this one. Look at the little bunnies. You're so cute. Oh. Here's the kitty.
Okay.
This is Arwen's first cat. How do you
I feel
feel?
very good. I feel so good. I love you so much.
Sunny too. You're so cute. Oh. It's not release. Oh, you're purring. Oh, good morning, cutie. Oh, yeah. She's purring. Yeah. You had a good night. Your first night in this house. This is after her first night. We also found out, by the way, that she's a girl instead of a boy. So she's exploring now outside the room. She's a very playful cat. Yay! She's just purring. I'm very curious. She's not shy at all. Hey! Woo! That's okay, that's okay. Sir, oh.
It's just drop
På andra personer. Att man vill att andra personer har det bra. Att andra personer mår bra. Kastar in. Alltså det är det bästa.
This is her little house right now. She's eating well. It's her little box. There's like a little hole here for her to go out. Yay! She's doing so good. Hello. Just finished school earlier. Today we're planning to go to Kunstgarten to see the cherry blossoms that are famous here over the spring. Arya has hyped it up for us.
I hope it's nice.
There's apparently so many people there right now, just this week in general, because it's the Easter week. So a lot of people are off, a lot of people are here for vacation. So yeah, we're gonna go there, but it's gonna be nice. Gonna take pictures, videos for you guys. I'm excited to see it. In Vancouver, there's a lot of cherry blossoms everywhere, but here it seems like it's in like little places. So that's why people are crowding in one place. Here they are in the back of this statue. There's a lot of people here chilling. Here it is. Look at how many people there are. It's so pretty though. But everyone is here. You're not gonna be able to take a picture of this. You're gonna try to take pictures?
I'm gonna try.
Try. Arya wants some soft serve. I want to get the strawberry for the pink flowers. Flowers are just the tree, sorry, is what I meant to say. And Arya's getting the regular one. Yummy! I got my soft serve. I got strawberry flavor, I got regular. Same color! Oh, I love strawberry flavor. Do you like it?
No.
You don't like strawberry flavor? It's good. It was expensive though. It was 60 crowns each. That's like 10 bucks. Right?
80.
Mine's like 10 Canadian dollars. His is probably like 12. I just went thrift shopping. I didn't get to vlog inside, but I got a bunch of pants just because I don't have enough pants here in Sweden. So I bought like 3 more pants and 1 blouse. I don't need to show it, they're just jeans. We're walking back home in the city. We just got home from the city and we're just chilling with, I realized I haven't really said his name before. His name is Maki, or Macchiato, and for short, Maki, because he looks like a little macchiato. And I probably have been saying she and her in the past few videos, but that's because we thought he was a girl, because we can't see his little pee-pee. So, and then the vet confirmed that he's a boy, so that's what we get for not owning a cat before. This is our first time owning one, so we couldn't really tell if he was a boy or a girl. The seller did say that he was a boy, but we couldn't really see the pee-pee and the balls, so we just said, oh, I don't think he was right. But yeah, now it's confirmed. No, he's a boy. His name is Maki, and now he is Ippy. The missile is Ippy. So cute. I cannot stop watching him. We've had him for maybe 3 or 4 days now, and I just love watching him. Oh, sorry. Okay, I'll stop. Hello, I just got back from school. Arya just picked me up as usual. Today I learned about Easter traditions in Sweden, and I wanted to talk about it here in vlog because I want to kind of teach you guys what I learned and also see if Arya knows.
I'm being quizzed.
Swedish traditions. Not quiz, I'm not asking you, I'm
being quizzed.
So one thing I learned is that today, Thursday, it's Easter weekend. Today's Thursday. And apparently there will be kids coming to your house knocking, dressed up as
Witches.
old girls, old ladies, and asking for candy, saying Glad Påsk, which is happy Easter.
Yeah.
Glad Påsk. They'll just knock on your door and say Glad Påsk, and you're supposed to give them candy like it's Halloween.
It is Halloween.
Did you know this?
I found out recently. I've never, because most people live in apartments here.
Yeah.
We don't have to deal with kids going around easily accessing our front doors. Because apartments are locked.
Yeah.
The front entrance.
So that's new to me. Are we gonna get kids later?
We might.
Do we have candy to give?
We have your Reese's.
No, not my candy.
We have your candy.
No. And another thing I learned is that people would take branches from birch trees and they would decorate it with like these colorful feather things, and that's basically their Easter decorations. Did you know that?
No, but I've seen it. I've seen people do it.
So yeah, that's what I learned today. Learning the traditioner. Yeah, it's Easter weekend. I think this is the last part of my vlog because you're just gonna rest for the Easter weekend, and then the next vlog will be the Philly trip.
Go Eagles!
So see you guys later. Bye.